A brief history of orangutans. Orangutans in the dark records of the past, derived from the Malay language. Orangutans literally means man from the forest. According to research, humans and orangutans share nearly 97% DNA in common. Orangutans can be recognized by their long reddish hair that covers almost their entire body, but the most remarkable is the primate named Orangutan, aka Orangutan, which in the local language means forest man. In Bateman's observations, orangutans can reach 6 feet in length. They would throw stones, sticks, and big wooden blocks at people who bothered them, Bateman said. As University of Malaya historian Chin Yong Fong wrote in Journey to and from the island of Borneo, in the East Indies, published in History, the locals tell many stories about orangutans. They believe that orangutans are descended from humans but turned into animals because they insulted God. Out of curiosity, Bateman bought an orangutans for $6 Spanish. It was the orangutans that accompanied Bateman during his one-year trading expedition in Borneo. Must be protected. Let's get to know 3 orangutan species in Indonesia. The most comprehensive study of orangutans in Borneo estimates the orangutan population has fallen by more than 100,000 since 1999, as oil palm plantations and the paper industry shrink their forest habitat and fatal conflicts with humans increase. In 2018, an orangutan died in Borneo, after being shot at least 130 times with an air rifle, stabbed and beaten. It was the second most heartbreaking recorded orangutan killing in the Kalimantan region. Orangutans hunting actually happened hundreds of years ago. In 1869, British naturalist Alfred Russel Wallace once described this fight in his book as a battle between humans and orangutans. It was in the forests of Sarawak that Wallace first saw orangutans or mias in early March 1855. On that occasion to Sarawak, Wallace deliberately took the time to come to see orangutans specifically. One of the main purposes of a trip to Semenjang is to research orangutans. I wanted to see their natural habitat, study their habits and get specimens of different species as well as of both sexes, both young and adult orangutans, he wrote in the Malay archipelago. In his notes, Wallace said he worked with local communities to hunt orangutans. It is not known on the official website whether this museum still collects shipments of orangutans from Wallace, but as an important museum, it is likely that the skin and skeletons are still well preserved there. Orangutans and other primates are indeed being studied to uncover theories of human origins. This is a disaster for the orangutan population as they fall prey to humans. Let's know the cause of the extinction. 3 main causes of orangutan extinction. Orangutans is a species native to Indonesia whose populations are scattered in the rainforests of Sumatra Island and Kalimantan Island. Around 70,000 orangutans are found on the island of Sumatra and 50,000 in Kalimantan. Currently the orangutan population is decreasing. The largest mammal that lives in this tree has been declared a rare animal protected by the government. The following are some of the causes of the decline in the orangutan population. 1. Deforestation. Deforestation is the massive reduction of forests. This forest was cut down, among others, to be used as land for oil palm plantations, transmigration land to be used as settlements, as well as forest fires and illegal logging. As a result, the forest that is the habitat of orangutans is dwindling and threatens the survival of these animals. 2. Illegal animal trade. Baby orangutans are often kidnapped from their mothers to be resold as pets. The abduction of baby orangutans generally involves the killing of their mother, so for every baby orangutan abducted, 1 adult mother dies. 3. Wild hunt. Orangutans are hunted by humans because they enter the plantation areas of residents or companies and steal their food so that they are considered pests by humans. In addition, orangutans are hunted for their skulls to be sold at high prices. If these factors are not taken seriously, then in just 1 year there will be no more orangutans found in the wild. The remaining orangutans can only be seen at the zoo. Support us, like and subscribe.